You carrying over The answer is 56. See the next sum. Read these numbers. 25, 36, 75. First you add 5 plus 6. 5 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 plus 6, 11. Again you add 11 plus 5. 11 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 11 after 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 11 plus 5, 16. 6 only write in one's place. 1 is carrying over in tens place. 1 plus 2, 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6. Next, 6 plus 7, 6 in the mind, 7 in the finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 6 plus 7, 13. We get the answer 136. Are you understand, children? Let's see the next Roman. Write in columns and add. What is the given sum? 24 plus 22 plus 34. The given sum is horizontal wise. Have here. Now we are writing vertical wise and do the sum. It is very easy to convert the answer. What is the first number? 24. Next 22. Next 34. First we add in ones place values. What is the first number? 4. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 4 after 5, 6. 4 plus 2, 6. Next 6 plus 4. 6 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 plus 4 we get the answer 10. 0 only write in ones place. 1 is carrying over in tens place. Now we add 1 plus 2. 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3. We add 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5. Next, 5 plus 3. 5 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8. So we get the answer 80. Therefore, 24 plus 22 plus 34 equal to, we get the answer 80. Are you understand, children? Okay, see the next sum. What is the given number? 45 plus 62 plus 25. They are given in horizontal wise. Now we are writing vertical wise. 45. Next 62. Next number 25. Now we are adding ones place values. What is the first number? 5. 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7. 5 plus 2 how much? 7. Next 7 plus 5. 7 in the mind, 5 in the finger. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 plus 5 how much? 1 plus 4. 1 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 plus 4, 5. Next we add 5 plus 6. 5 in the mind, 6 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 plus 6 how much? 11. Next 11 plus 2. 11 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 11 after 12, 13. 11 plus 2, 13. So we get the answer 132. Therefore 45 plus 62 plus 25 we add, we get the answer is 132. Are you understand, children? No need for these arrows and you don't write it here also. You understand very easily. So I draw it and count the numbers and write the numbers here. Are you listen, children? Okay. See the next sum. So these additions on the number line. Then write the answer. Okay. What is the first sum? 1 plus 2 plus 3. Now we add in number line. Okay. What is the first number? 1. So you draw the one number. One curve only you draw it. Okay. The first number is 1. So you draw one time only curve. You draw the curve one time. What is the next number? 2. So you draw the curve 2 times. 1, 2. Okay. What is the next number? 3. You draw the curve 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You stop it here. Okay. First number 1. So 1 time you draw the curve. Next 2. So 2 times you draw the curve. Next 3. So you draw the curve 3 times. Okay. Then the curve will stop it. The number is 6. Okay. So the answer is 6. Are you understand, children? Okay. What is the next sum? 4 plus 3 plus 2. Okay. What is the first number? 4. So how many times you draw the curve? 4 times. You start with 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times first you draw the curve. What is the next number? 3. So you draw 3 times in the curve. 1, 2, 3. Okay. What is the next number? 2. So you draw 2 times. 1, 2. So the answer is 9. Okay. You draw the number line and get the answer. You check it your answer. Okay. What is the first number? 1. 1 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 1 after 2, 3. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5, 6. So our answer is correct. Check the next sum. What is the given sum? successor of the given number. What is the successor of 9? Yes, 10. 10 is the successor of 9. So 9 plus 1 equal to 9 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 9 after 10. Are you understand, children? Okay, see the next sum. Solve these word sums. I read the question. Mummy bought 18 bananas, 24 oranges and 28 apples to make fruit salad. How many fruits did she buy in all? How many bananas bought it? 18 bananas. How many oranges? 24 oranges. How many apples? 28 apples. For what purpose they are bought the fruits? They make a fruit salad. Okay. What is the question? How many fruits did she buy in all? So, in all having a question, you add these numbers. Okay. First, number of bananas. Number of bananas. How many bananas? 18. Next, number of oranges. Number of oranges. How many oranges? 24 oranges. Next, how many apples? Number of apples. How many apples? 28 apples. So you add these three numbers. Total number of fruits. Total Okay, first we are add the ones place values. What is the first number? 8. You add 8 plus 4. 8 in the mind, 4 in the finger. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. 8 plus 4, 12. Next, 12 plus 8. 12 plus 8. 12 in the mind, 8 in the finger. 12 after 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 12 plus 8 how much? 20. First 8 plus 4 is 12. We get the answer 12. Next we add 12 plus 8. We get the answer 20. 0 only write in ones place. 2 is carrying over in tens place. 2 plus 1. 2 in the mind, 1 in the finger. 2 after 3. So 2 plus 1, 3. We get the answer 3. 3 in the mind, next 2 in the finger. 3 after 4, 5. 5 in the mind, next 2 in the finger. 5 after 6, 7. Number of marigolds. How many marigolds have in the garden? 42. Next, number of lilies. How many lilies have in the garden? 52 lilies. So 52. Now we add these three numbers. So total number of flowers. Therefore total number